The aftermath of the stampede at New Delhi railway station, the Railway Ministry has enhanced crowd management protocol. The swelling crowd of pilgrims and railways continuing to issue tickets to Prayagraj is being seen as the main reason for Saturday's stampede at the New Delhi railway station, which left 18 passengers dead and many others injured. The Railway Ministry has issued new measures as well. And my colleague Tanushka Datta joins us to get us more on this. Tanushka, we understand that the railway station has stopped issuing platform tickets. What are the other measures that are being talked about here?
Right, Osama. I spoke with the CPRO of the Northern Railways earlier, and he told me that, the platform tickets that are being sold at the New Delhi railway station here, and as you can also see around me, there's a lot of queue here, a lot of crowd here, as it is usually, because this is the capital's main railway station. People are right now going into the platforms in an orderly fashion in these queues, and the platform tickets are not being sold. It's being sold in a restricted manner, which means from a week from now, that is for 1 week, it will only, it will not be sold from 4 p.m. until 11 p.m. at night. And this bars, of course, persons with disabilities and senior citizens, but anyone else who wants to purchase a platform ticket at this duration will not, be able to do so because of the crowd management efforts. At this point, the Railway Protection Forces, the RAF forces, the Rapid Action Forces are also present inside the railway station to manage the crowd, to get around, to make things happen in a duly manner, and procedures are being maintained as well with respect to even the footover bridges, because that was the main pain point of the stampede, which cost the lives of 18 people on Saturday night. So, and what we are also hearing from the Railway Ministry is that in the next 6 months, there will be a complete rehaul of stations all across in the country, not just the New Delhi railway station, but all other railway stations as well, which means that there will be, 35 key stations going to, that have trains going to Prayagraj will have amped up security, amped up measures. There will be specific color-coded enclosures and arrow marks as well, demarcating these enclosure spaces for passengers to wait around at. Ticketing at the moment at the New Delhi railway station will be done outside, not inside, so as to avoid any sort of a crowd surge environment and thereafter leading to suffocation or a stampede situation. And what we are also hearing is that, of course, a huge mass of people went to the Kumbh festivities. As of yesterday, 18.48 lakh passengers were carried on in trains across the country. There were 388 trains that took passengers to Prayagraj. There are 4 special trains on as of moment at the New Delhi railway station, coming and going, taking passengers to Prayagraj for the Kumbh festivities. Now, of course, a lot of these movements have happened, dialogues have happened between officials, and we are understanding that these procedures will happen in due course of time. But of course, what remains the question is that, was this a disaster that could have been averted instead of now taking measures to curb such crowd surge?
Absolutely. Tanushka, thank you very much for getting us all the latest from the ground there. Meanwhile, politics has erupted over the Delhi stampede. The Samajwadi Party chief, he has hit out at the NDA government, saying that there are no preparations and only advertisements. Akhilesh Yadav, he says that there are only this is only hyped by the Modi as well as the Yogi government. And BJP, in the meanwhile, has retorted, saying that they cannot stop anyone from going to the Kumbh, and that the action has been taken after inquiry by the railways.
नाम तो इन्होंने महाकुंभ दे दिया, महा आयोजन की तैयारी कर दी, और जनता को ये बताया कि 100 करोड़ लोग भी अगर आएंगे तो उनका पूरा इंतज़ाम होगा। ये इंतज़ाम करना भूल गए और अपना प्रचार और जितना बुला सकते थे लोगों को अलग अलग माध्यम से बुलाया, और इवेंट मैनेजमेंट की कंपनियों को लगा करके बड़े बड़े फेसेस को बुलाया, और उन्होंने सोशल मीडिया पे रील्स डाली, सोशल मीडिया पे अपना प्रचार किया। उसका परिणाम ये हुआ कि आम जनता जो श्रद्धा रखती है, श्रद्धालु बड़े पैमाने पर संगम में गए। लेकिन ये जो गणित बताया 144 साल वाला, किस वर्ष से इन्होंने नापा है, किस कारण ये नापा है, ये कोई नहीं जानता।
लोगों की धार्मिक भावना है तो किसी को जाने से रोका तो नहीं जा सकता, लेकिन फिर भी भारत सरकार के केंद्रीय मंत्री वैष्णो जी ने भी घोषणा की है कि हम इसकी जांच कराएंगे। अगर कहीं रेलवे का कहीं कमी हुई तो उस पर अवश्य कार्रवाई होगी।